Amber Heard will never get away with this. She needs to pay her ex-husband millions of dollars because she ruined his life, and there's no way around it. Last June 1st, the jury decided that Amber was guilty of defaming Johnny Depp and is required to pay him for the damages she's done. We thought that 6-week trial was over since it's one of the longest trials we ever got to watch live, but turns out it wasn't. There were tons of interviews and shows where Amber Heard kept talking about the trial, and just recently, Judge Penny Ascart filed a judgment order on June 24th reflecting the verdict previously reached in the trial. The actors weren't required to be present in the courtroom for the hearing, but we were still looking forward to it since a lot of rumors have been spreading, and maybe Amber's team even confirmed that she's going to appeal their verdict. But with what money? The jury already awarded Johnny with $15 million in damages after finding that he proved all 3 claims against Amber. She should be thankful because the amount was reduced to $10.35 million only because of limits set by state law. So because of all the bad things she did, she now has to pay her most hated ex ever. At least she got $2 million from the jury's decision, but that's about it. She really defamed him with malicious intent, and there's no going back. Amber Heard is set to lose more money because of a mistake she made in the past. She pledged to donate the entirety of their divorce settlement money, the whole $7 million of it, but claims she couldn't because Johnny sued her. What's confusing is that she made these claims but still pushed us to believe in court that she donated the money already, when in reality, she hasn't. Her income's gonna be negative after that, we bet. With all of those problems, she still wants to appeal, but with what she's doing, there's no chance she can do it. It's going to be really expensive. If she also keeps up with all these new defamation statements against her ex-husband, he can sue her again and leave her begging on the streets for money. This time, the judge is giving Johnny Depp the chance to change Amber's situation. What are the chances of her winning the appeal anyway? Amber can either bond to prevent collection, or Johnny can start collecting, meaning he can start garnishing her residuals, seizing her bank accounts. Things like that can ruin her life. It's a pretty critical distinction, and it directly affects the likelihood of an appeal. But remember, Amber's lawyers already admitted that the trial has been a financial burden for the actress, so her ability to post the bond is really not guaranteed. To put it simpler, Johnny can go get court orders requiring her bank, her business manager, and anyone else holding property that belongs to her to pay it to him instead. He can also potentially get orders requiring her to turn over or sell assets to pay the proceeds to him. He can get all her money without her knowing first. We know a lot of people would pay to see that. But those on the internet think otherwise. They don't think the actor is that cruel and will never make his ex-wife do that, even though she actually intentionally ruined his life. Fans said that Johnny would not garnish. I don't believe. It's not in him. But she should do the right thing and pay as ordered. Or promised Johnny she would never appeal if he promises to release her from paying. If Amber doesn't want to waste more money, then she shouldn't push through with the appeal. The jury already found Johnny's story more credible than Amber's. They won't take that back. Legal experts think that there's also no point in appealing because it's going to be a long and expensive legal process. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.